Hello, good evening, good afternoon, good morning, and welcome. I said that the wrong way around. Yam Yams on tour. Hey! Right, yesterday I ordered a diesel heater and it's come today. So, as promised, it's going to be an unboxing video. So I'll show you what has come and hopefully I'll be able to put it together. So, bear with me, I'm just going to move the camera down so you can see what we're doing. Right, okay, hang on. Right, there we go. So here's the box. Right, okay, so we'll just open it. Right, you can see. Right. Okay, so here we go. There we go. So we've got two boxes inside, so we'll start with this box. So I'll just move this out of the way. Oh yeah, that's it. Right, so here's the box. Right, let's have a look. Right, it's so far it appears to be well packaged. Oh, okay, so here's my base plate. Alright, and here is my exhaust tube, quite flexible. Right. Fuel pipe, electrics. I presume that one is for my air filter. Alright, and here's the vents. Okay, there's two of those. Two of those, which is what we wanted. And then, yep, you've got your clips, your filters and everything else in there. I presume that's got air filter and all that. Some exhaust, and of course the T-junction. Right, let's just plunk them back in. That seems to be all right. So plunk that back in there, and we'll have a go at assembling that. Okay, so we'll put that box down. Now for the next box. Oh, big white one. Right. Comes with instructions. And this is a it's a heater. It's a diesel heater. I can't remember what make it is, but I'll put a link down in the descriptions of what it is. Right, so open this up. Polystyrene case. We all hate polystyrene. Right, oh okay. So there is your little control panel. See that? Okay. So that will go in there. It's also got, oh, it's handy. It's got a remote control with it. Jules, it's got a remote control. Yep. Thumbs up from Julie. Right, that is the that's the pump, I believe I can fly. And here, okay, it's a bit dirty. It's like it's been, so yes, okay. Right, the product name is a parking air filter and it's diesel. It's a 12 volt and it requires 10 to 50 watts, and the fuel consumption is 0.23 to 0.51 litres. And on the bottom of there you've got your vent, your air inlet and your oil hole. Okay, but then obviously you got where your filters attach, and then obviously you got your one at the back as well. Why and yeah, your oil warning label there, but overall, yeah, it looks all right, to be fair. Okay, so that's that. So we'll put that in there. We'll put that one over here with the other one, and of course then. Right. We have a fuel pipe and something in there. I don't know what's in there, but there's something in there. Is that what I think it is? Ah, right, okay. Yeah, that's that little packet there, can you see it? Yeah, that, I presume, goes in there. Well, obviously I'll read the instructions before I come to putting it back together. Yeah, it's a 10 litre fuel pump, get my teeth in. Yeah, and obviously then that screws to your wall, and then you put your fuel in it. But yeah, it's a 10 litre tank, diesel, so that should last a while. I'm actually not sure what that is. I think that goes in. No, it can't go in there. I don't actually know. Right, I'll read the instructions and then I'll find out. So, right, let's bring you back up and back to me. There we go. Right. So that was the unpacking. The next bit is going to be the assembling, and then drilling a couple of holes in Bertha, and then putting it all together. So I'll add the next video onto this, which is me putting it all together, and then another video which will be me installing it in Bertha. Now, hi guys, welcome back to the second part of the video, which is today installing the diesel heater. Hopefully it'll all go to plan. Right, so just bear with me and I'll show you what I'll do, and then we'll set what I've done so far, and then we'll set everything up so we can carry on with the install. Okay, right, so I'm just going to place you down. Oh, there we go. Lighting's not very good, but we'll see what we can do. Right, so like I say, I've already got that in, so let's get the wiring out. Right, so there we see the base plate put on. Obviously that just needs to be secured down, but I'll sort all that out once I've got everything else connected up. Right, so now I've got my fuel pump. So what I want to do now is I want to attach this to the wall here. But to do that, I've got to get my screwdriver. And here we go. Right, just get some wiring out of the way. Shift my keys out of the way. Now, your filter has to go on a 45-degree angle, or near about that. So we'll see what we can do. Right, okay, as that. Right, so if we do that up high, because Julie's scooter's got to go in here as well, so we'll do it about there. Now, normally I'd use my electric screwdriver, but I haven't got my bits with me, so unfortunately it's going to have to be done by hand. But that's okay, because the wood's soft, so it won't take long to do. And so I'm not going to over tighten it because there's other things I've got to do. Right, so the next stage is making sure I have enough wire. Right, so I want to cut there, right about there, I think. Right, where's my blade? Can't find my blade anywhere. Difficult. That'll do. Right, now, got little clips here. Just show you. Right. They go on the end of the pipe, which you just squeeze them, and then this is the fun bit. Now, bearing in mind, I've never done one of these before, so it could all go tits up, but hopefully it won't. Right, let's just get that on. Hopefully that'll go on nice and easy. So it's just to hold it on at the moment. Now, do the same for the other end. There's a little clip. So that one goes at the top. It might be better just to ease up a little bit, because not exactly perfect, but like I say, it's only going to be for a trial run, because I am eventually, when the part I was hoping they'd come today, to be fair, but sod's law. Fuck me, that's tight. Oh, right. Okay. Now, I've just got to drill a hole through there, feed this through, but before I do that, I'll connect all the electrics up. Okay, so, right, now, this one, I believe, goes to the pump, I believe. Yes, that's on there. Right, so that one's on. Right, now that one's all connected up. Right, that's connected up. Right, we'll get control panel. There's my control panel. That's up here. Right. This one here goes into your control panel. So that one just clicks in. Obviously, you got your remote control. A fuse. Right. Next bit I've got to do is attach the filter and then attach the fuel. So what I'm going to do is, now that that's all set up there, I'll take it inside, we'll put the filter on, and we'll set up the fuel. I'll tell you what we'll do first, we'll drill a hole first so we know where we're going. Right, we'll dig it round about there, I think. Right, and then we'll feed that one through, like so. I'm sorry guys, you can't really see, can you? Right, hang on, let's have a look. Right, feed that one through, like so. I'll do it like that. Right. Okay. Right. Let's get the fuel out the car. Oh, where you gone? There you are. Right. Let's get the fuel out the car so we'll know what we're doing. Bloody hard work this is, I'm telling you. Oh. We got the fuel, we got that, so we'll go back inside and we'll, typical, won't get far with the van locked. Bertha's messy. This is not good. Bertha's messy. Oh, I've got a seat here. Ah, that's good. Right, where am you? Right. Let's see where we are. Like I say, I forgot a bloody fuel pump. Oh, bear with me. Coffee. Right, I'm back. Right, there's a fuel tank. Now, ideally, it's got to go like that, but today we'll just have it like, I don't know, we'll just put a bit of fuel in here, but anyway, right, so, oh bloody hell, I need 2 more clips. Oh. Right, so that's the first one. Then we'll attach that one. Right, as I see them, I got a touch on there. So, and that's tight. Well, it's on anyway, so it's not going anywhere. Right. So we'll just, that's that. We'll chop that much off, like so. Get another one of them on, like so, because that, now this bit has got a touch to here. So, bear with. Oh, going wrong, right. Okay, so. Now, just to let you know, it doesn't taste very nice. Right, that's on now. Obviously, when I get the new pipe and that tomorrow, this will be better secured. And the same with this one. Now this one attaches to the bottom of that. So feed that in. And like I say, this is just a test, because hopefully when the other bit comes in, it's going to be more secure. Right, so just clip down there. Right, so that is now ready. Oh, where you gone? Okay, that is now ready. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put some fuel in it, and then we'll see what happens. I think just hang that there. Right. Oh, where are you? Oh dear. Oh, never mind. Let's do it that way. Let's get some fuel in it, and then we'll test it. Okay, so see you in a second. Right guys, so I've got all the electrics connected. So now all I want to do is feed it through. So okay. Right, that's going. Don't know if you can hear the pump clicking. Right, it's coming through, a bit of air bubbles coming. Right, pump's working. Yes, it's coming through. Right. This could take up to a few minutes, but we'll just keep going. As you can hear, it's still going. No air bubbles, so I don't think anything's leaking at the moment. It's showing me that the pump's working. The glow pumps are working. Blowing up air. Oh, here comes the pump. Ah, right, it seems to be working. I think I've just got to pump some more fuel through, because it doesn't seem to prime proper, so I think that's what we've got to do now, is just prime it proper. See, the glow plugs are cooling. But yeah, so far it seems to be working. But that's pretty good. Let's see if we've got the remote. Where's the remote? There it is. So wait for that to cool down. Let's try and get some more fuel through. Still waiting on the fuel to come through, trust me. That's going through there. Okay, it's got a long way to go before it gets to me. We'll just keep going and going and going. Right, so I'll come back to you in a minute when it's working and it's blowing out warm air. Okay, bye. Right, so it's working. It's blowing out lovely warm air. So that is a diesel heater installed. Didn't go the way I wanted it to, but it's working, giving out heat. So that's a thumbs up from me. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. See you later. Bye.